With the Total Protection Roofing System from Owens Corning, you can be confident that your roof is designed to perform in 3 critical areas for a high-performance roof: seal, defend, breathe. Seal helps create a waterproof barrier. Owens Corning's self-adhered ice and water barrier products protect the most vulnerable areas. A synthetic underlayment creates a secondary barrier against water infiltration. Plus, your roof should defend against nature's elements. Your roof should be designed to help defend your home from wind, rain, sun, ice, hail, and snow. And finally, your new roof will breathe. Intake and exhaust vents help create balanced airflow in the attic, reducing heat and moisture that can lead to ice damming, mold infestation, and helping save on energy costs.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Berry with Berry Roofing and Solar, based in Riverside, California for more than 25 years. There's nothing more fundamental than a roof over your head. So when it's time to replace your aging roof, we understand it's a decision that you want to get right. Thanks for considering Berry Roofing and Solar to install your Owens Corning roofing system. We're proud to be an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred contractor, and we know that choosing the right contractor is as important as choosing the right shingle. We offer roofing, solar, attic insulation, and gutters.
When the job is complete, you'll see a beautiful roof. What we see is a world of science at work. And when your neighbors, friends, and family see a brand new roof on your home, we want you to be proud too.